Hello! It's Thursday, and that means it's Vlog Thursday. I don't have a lot to say, so I won't be long. Yeah, so I started doing a little bit more on the physiotherapy stuff. I've been working out to sort of fix my back every day, and it seems to make a huge difference. It's so much easier to sit up straight and stand up straight. Feels great. I've been keeping somewhat on track with Tank Wars. I've been doing a little work on it each day, just sort of sitting down, getting in the chair, looking at what needs to be done, and doing it. I haven't even really done anything with the Trello board lately. It's just been more menu work. The menu is a lot more work than I thought it would be. And I've had some funny errors trying to set it up. But yeah, it's been pretty fun actually, just sitting down and working through it. Another thing is jump cuts. My cutie got me flowers.